Raj Bhavan, Shillong yesterday hosted a cultural event to celebrate the 64th Foundation Day of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, graced the occasion as a chief guest along with various dignitaries and guests. The cultural program featured traditional music and dances representing the rich heritage and culture of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Attendees also relished a range of delicious dishes showcasing the diverse culinary traditions of both states. Additionally, a video message from the Governor of Gujarat, Sri Acharya Devrat, was screened during the event. The foundation days of each state are celebrated in all the Raj Bhavans across the countries in line with central government's Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat initiative, focused on enhancing connections and fostering mutual understanding among people from various states and union territories.
In the performing arts of Maharashtra, the State Foundation Day celebrated.
The third district level inter-school athletic meet